We really worked together for, I will say, starting from the concept development and the execution of the whole thing until today, almost a year. We worked very closely, intensely, and now we are going to present before you the children presentation based on this literary work. Before this literary presentation, I will highlight some points about our work, because I think this is important to know to understand what we are doing here. We Umbra is just not a book or music, it's a concept. It is a collaborative process between USA and India, directed to all children, young adults, and adults around them. The concept of the project is thought in the context of our changing world, intended to raise consciousness towards Mother Earth, nature, birds, animal, mother tongue, diversity, hope, unity, and global peace. They are compiled on a book and music CDs in the form of lyrics, poems, stories, paintings, and songs. Literary works and songs are presented in Bengali language, along with conceptual explanation and phonetic expression in English, so that anyone can read this book, they can listen to the music, and even they can learn those songs in a very relaxed mode and joyful manner. We believe they are universal, entertaining, educational, and worth exploring. And the most challenging part, that is the practical implementation, working with the children. Nirmalo worked really hard with the children in Kolkata, and he can share some experience. You would like to? Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much. It was really wonderful experience working with all the kids in India and here too. And really grateful to all of the great musicians, singers, and Nitadi here and people like you. And when it comes to music, we have only one language, and this is actually one world concept. I was telling that Do Re Mi Fa Sol La Ti Do and our Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa is same. So this is actually one world concept. And in India, our students, our kids, they actually work so hard. We work day and night to make it happen. But finally, I'm so happy this is new thing, new journey has started. So I think all of you will enjoy. Thank you very much.
So what's the bottom line? Bottom line of whole thing is we believe every child is important. Each child is not only a pillar of a society, but a pillar and direction of the world. So let's help these children to grow safely with healthy body and mind so that they become responsible and useful to themselves and to others.